Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Dimitri, and in this video we are going over how to clean tracks. For our first step, we're going to get out our vacuum and just vacuum out any loose dirt outside of the track. This is more of like some prep work. It's going to make the entire process a little bit easier. So, getting this vacuum out and just going over the entire track, getting any loose dirt out. From there, we're going to get our track brush and brush out the dirt from the edges towards the middle, making sure to focus on all the corners because a lot of dirt can get stuck there. We're going to repeat this process of vacuuming and brushing until we get it as clean as possible before our final step of wiping it down with a damp rag. So again, we're going to be brushing from the outside or the edges towards the middle of each track before we vacuum it out again, making sure to pay special attention to the corners. On this specific job, the wind was blowing from towards the house, so we had to rely on the vacuum more, which is why we didn't just brush the dust directly out like we usually do. So if you're in this situation, it would be easier to just brush the dust directly out of the window track outside. But if you're in a special position like we are, you can just use the vacuum to get the dust out again after you dislodged it with the brush. So we're coming back with the vacuum again, vacuuming out the dust we got, and then coming back with the brush. Okay, after this final vacuum, we're getting our damp rag, not too wet, but not too dry. We don't want any excess water to be on the track after we finish wiping, but damp enough to get any excess dirt. This is to get all the stubborn dirt out that we couldn't get out before with the brush. So we're just running over the damp rag through the tracks, putting in some elbow grease to get any stuck on dirt. Paying attention to details here, just to get all as much dirt as we can out of these tracks that was stuck on from before. And then from there, tracks should be looking a lot more different than before, a lot more cleaner. So if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe and comment down below anything or any suggestions for next videos or anything you learned from this video. Thank you for your time.